the coaching now and you are solving mathematics, you are learning mathematics there and you stuck somewhere, you can't solve some questions, then you can ask to sir, I can't solve this question, so may you tell me this question. You cannot do that thing. Why? You don't have practical knowledge there. But if you have practical knowledge, you can communicate to people and you can improve your communication there. And so today the topic is online versus offline study. So which is better than for you? So comment into the box. So if I talk about myself, so my name is Noordin and I have been learning English since last 1 year. So we came here to debate on the topic. That's why we are here and we are debating on this topic. So if you are learning spoken English, this is better for all of you. And if you are improving your English day by day, so it would help you. So let's start. So now I'm going to give this mic to my friend, then he would tell you something about himself. Then after that we would be continue.
Oh, hello guys, my name is Happy and I am from UP. I have been learning English since last 8 months and today we are debating on online classes, online education and offline education. And now we are here and let's begin to start. I want to select offline education and
So he is in the favor of online education and I am in the favor of offline education. So if I talk about offline education, so you would be attached physically with the teacher. You can understand everything. Like suppose you are in
I am in the favor of offline education and he is the favor of online education. So let's begin to start this debate. So now, first of all, I would like to tell you something about offline education. Okay, if you are doing offline education, there are so many facilities. You can learn new things there, and you can improve yourself. But if you are learning of online classes, you cannot do that thing. Why? You don't have practical knowledge there. But if you have practical knowledge, you can communicate to people and you can improve your communication there and communication. But you are learning online or you are studying online, you cannot do these things. So now I want to listen to you. What is your opinion about it?
but if I talk about online, every person cannot study through the offline because they don't have that much money. And if I talk about online, if you have some money, you can purchase some subscription and you can learn, you can study there. And if you don't have that much money, you can study through the YouTube. And there are many app who provide you good facilities and they don't talk you some money, like PW. And if I talk about other one, RWA, there are many videos who are provide free of cost. Yes, they would not take from you some money.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, online education is a comfort zone compared to offline education. If we are learning online, we are in comfort zone and we are addicted to online classes. But in this generation, we must need to offline education because they don't have a good communication in his self, and they must improve his communication. Main thing is communication. If we have good communication, we can gain knowledge anywhere and anything we can gain. Okay. But you were talking about offline education thing. uh, take that much money. They don't take that much money. But you can join any coaching in some money if you have some money. But if you are taking high level education like IAS and IPS, you want to become, you cannot afford because that fees is yes, very hard compared to other exams. Yes, and if I talk about offline classes is better than online classes.
But you know, many people are preparing for IAS exam and IPS exam, and they can't afford a good coaching, because they think that if we are going to take some coaching, and if we would not get selected, so we would not have that much opportunities, and our family member would not provide us good facilities in future, because they are studying by online, and many people got select through the online. And as you said, communication, if you are studying offline, you would have good communication. But if I talk about online, I have seen many people who were studying through the online, and they had good communication, and they could select many job, they had qualified many exam, then after that they are be working in their company and their job, they are working properly. So how can you say these things?
Now you are wrong here. You were saying they learning online classes and they become an IAS officer. They don't become because they they used to go to coaching earlier. That's why they were saying I joined offline classes, and that was your wrong thing. But if we want to be a good um, good officer, we must need to offline classes, and without offline classes you cannot gain that much knowledge compared to online classes. If I talk about other thing or offline classes, you have many batchmates in your coaching, and you can ask to question, and if you don't know about any question, you can ask and they can tell you whatever you want, and whatever you want to ask to them, they can tell you easily, and you can ask from your sir, and they don't ignore you. They
Let me tell you one thing. Suppose you are solving a mathematics question and you stuck a question, you can't solve it, and you are asking that question to your sir, and sir would tell you about that question, but you could not understand, because this is human being. Sometimes we cannot understand properly if we are learning some things. Like there is a question, this is very difficult, and you can't solve it. You are unable to solve it, and you are going to ask about this question to sir, and sir told you about that question one time, then you would ask again. Hardly sir would tell you 2 to 3 times only, then after that sir would say you are fool, and sir would say you very bad things, you can't accept that thing. And if I talk about online, if you have some doubt, you cannot solve this a question, there is a particular question, this is very hard, you can ask to sir, and they would provide you a doubt group also, you can send there, then they would provide you, they would tell you about everything that question. And if you couldn't understand that question properly, then you can watch that video again and again, until you could not understand that question, you would repeat that video again and again, again and again, you would be learned that question easily. And if I talk about, as I mentioned earlier, some monies, if you are studying through the offline, you have to give that much money. And you said a officer, if you want to become a officer, you have to join a offline coaching center. But I have seen many people who got select an officer, and they are working there, but they could not study offline, and they were studying online, through the online, and they got select. So how can you say these things?
okay. You were saying offline classes, sir. Sir does not tell uh, does not tell question. You are asking again and again. He, who told you? That is your wrong thing. If you no, I would like to tell you first thing. You can ask to sir. They can. He can understand you, but you cannot understand that thing. How can they understand you again? Because you are not focusing your study, and you are uh, see anywhere. If sir you understand question, sir is understanding your question, you are looking for anywhere. How it is possible? Because you you don't focus on your study. That's why sir is not ध्यान देना, pay attention to you. That was your thing. And if I talk about other other officer you were talking about, they become do study from online. But if I talk about interviews where they need to practical knowledge, like we are learning English, we cannot learn English without practice and communicate to other person. That was my thing.
But if I talk about online, they would provide you everything. Like if you are going to attend a interview, they would provide you some English classes like spoken, and they would practice with you almost, and they would provide you almost everything, and they would take hardly few money from you. As you know, uh, there are many applications who are providing this type of facilities, and they are not taking that much money. And if I talk about online, you have to pay almost 1 to 2 lakh rupees. If I talk about NDA and other one exam like IPS, IAS, you have to pay 1 to 2 lakh rupees, and every person cannot afford that much money. And you would have most of the facilities through the online if you are studying online. And if I talk about offline, like suppose you are studying offline, and you have, first of all, you have to go to coaching center, and you would take 1 to 2 hours you would have to spend to go there. Then after that you would be joined there, then after that you would have to spend again that much time. Then you would not be able to study properly, because somewhere your mind would be disturbed. And other things also, if you are joining a offline coaching center, your mind would be disaddicted somewhere, like you would see some girls, and this type of things you would be apply on your life. I have seen these things also when I joined my coaching center. I was studying offline.
I know there is so many things in offline coaching center, but if I talk about you don't know about behavior too well person and people, how can you see them behavior? But if you are going any coaching center, you are seeing many people's, so many people's there, and you can know about them behavior, what kind of behavior does, yes, do they have, and you can know about it. And if I talk about online classes, you cannot do that thing, because you are learning online classes and you can see only in front of screen, you can see. But if I talk about behavior you can see your front of when you are going coaching centers. That's the thing. And you can see so many other things, and you can talk to girl. If you have agitation, you cannot talk to girl. But if you are in a coaching center, you can talk to girl, and you can improve your agitation. And if you have fear to for talk to girl, you can you can remove your fear. I think we should finish.
Okay, so as you mentioned earlier, but that I agree with your some lines only. I am not agree with your own lines.
Offline,
Own lines I'm saying.
online.
So yes, and I have seen many people who are studying in offline coaching center. Like my friend, he is studying offline, but he can't study properly. He said, I have to go to there, and I spend my 2 to 3 hours to go there. Then after that I have to come back. Then after that I have to take almost 2 to 3 hours again. So he is spending almost 5 to 6 hours in daily basis, and hardly he is studying 4 to 5 hours, because he would be tired. Then after that he would take rest.
Now
So now we are going to finish this session. If you liked this video, so don't forget like, share and subscribe. So let's finish. So bye.